Dry, itchy, red skin? Your skin barrier is probably screaming for help. Let's fix it. Think of your skin like a brick wall. Skin cells equals bricks. Lipids equals the mortar, made of ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids. When that mortar breaks down, your skin loses moisture and lets irritants in. Hello, redness plus flaking. Signs your barrier's damaged. Dry patches. Tightness. Stinging when applying products. Random breakouts or sensitivity. How to repair it and keep it that way. Strip it back, no harsh exfoliants, no actives for a few days. Use a gentle cleanser, think creamy, non-foaming. Moisturize with ceramide-rich or fatty acid-rich creams. Seal it in with occlusives like squalane or petrolatum. SPF every day. Sun damage breaks the barrier too. Your barrier is your BFF, treat it right and your skin will thank you. Follow for more barrier-safe skincare tips.